Hey there, AI learners. Welcome back to at IT Chai. In today's video, we have an exciting topic lined up that will take your AI knowledge to the next level. We are going to dive deep into the world of cohesive.so and uncover its secrets in less than 5 minutes. So buckle up and get ready to explore the incredible capabilities of cohesive.so. Cohesive.so, a powerful tool in the AI domain. Cohesive.so is revolutionizing the way we approach AI by providing an innovative platform that combines seamless collaboration with advanced machine learning techniques. It's time to break down the barriers and unleash the full potential of cohesive.so. Before we dive into the intricacies, let's understand the fundamental building blocks of cohesive.so. At its core, cohesive.so comprises comprehensive libraries and frameworks that empower developers and researchers to create cutting-edge AI models swiftly. From natural language processing to computer vision, cohesive.so has got you covered, making it a one-stop solution for all your AI needs. One of the game-changing features of cohesive.so is its seamless collaboration capabilities. With cohesive.so, teams can work together effortlessly on AI projects, irrespective of their geographical locations. The platform enables real-time collaboration, making it a breeze to share ideas, discuss algorithms, and build incredible AI models together. Say goodbye to the limitations of traditional collaboration methods and embrace the power of cohesive.so. Now, let's dive into the heart of cohesive.so, its ability to supercharge AI development. With cohesive.so, developers can leverage pre-trained models and APIs to accelerate their AI projects significantly. This means that even if you're new to AI, you can still create powerful applications without reinventing the wheel. Cohesive.so equips you with the tools you need to take your AI game to new heights. Cohesive.so is constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the AI landscape. The platform is constantly updated with the latest advancements, ensuring that you stay at the forefront of AI technology. Whether it's state-of-the-art algorithms or innovative techniques, cohesive.so has got your back, providing you with the cutting-edge tools you need to stay ahead in the AI game. Remember, AI learners, the future of AI is at your fingertips with cohesive.so. So, get ready to explore, create, and innovate like never before. Hit that subscribe button and let's dive right into the mind-boggling world of AI. Until next time, happy learning!